How to sell Bitcoin on Zengo Wallet. If you wish to sell your Bitcoin on Zengo Wallet, it is actually quite very simple for you to do so. All you have to do is launch the Zengo Wallet app, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. So you also want to make sure that you sign into your account. After you sign in, here you can see a couple of options. So if you do not see the sell option there, just tap on the more button that you can see on the right hand side. Then now you can select the option that says sell and then tap on it. Now over here it says to sell your crypto, so you can simply select the crypto that you wish to sell, and once you've done that you can swap that to a stablecoin, and once you've entered the amount that you would like to sell, you can just tap on the maximum option right there and you can swap that for a form of cryptocurrency or fiat currency and be able to sell the Bitcoin. That's all it takes for you to sell your Bitcoin on Zengo Wallet or swap them for another coin. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.